remittances are concerned, we've got the rooms up here if anybody needs to use them.
From a very humble beginning in 1978, where you only exported about 200 kg of produce, it's your first assignment. The company has today grown significantly throughout the years with an approximate volume of 150 tons of produce exported in a year. I've been told that the company is exporting 33 different commodities, ranging from fresh produce, cooked and frozen fruits and foods, also root crops, frozen seafoods, and also the national drink, the ngona, the kava. For the past 3 years, Maqare has exported approximately 420 tons of fresh and frozen agricultural produce with a value of 1.9 million. And I was also informed that that farmers from within the Ra province, stretching to Nandrongana Bosa, so the whole of the Western Division, farmers from the whole of the Western Division supplies the company with the required commodities, while most of the seafood and ginger is procured from Lambasa in the Northern Division and Tailevu in the Central Division. This is a remarkable market outlet for now over 230 farmers, not only in the Western Division, 280 farmers all over Fiji. My sincere gratitude to the various government ministries and other agencies such as the Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Trade, the Secretariat of the Pacific Community, Australian Aid, the European Union, the various organizations that assisted Maqare export through funding for these infrastructure developments. That enabling the company to increase volume of export and also providing that opportunity for the company to diversify into the cooked and frozen agricultural produce. In supporting this effort of the government, I commend the company for providing employment to a total of 21 trained local staff working in this facility in packaging, in grading, the drivers, the handymen, and those in the administration section, not counting the number of employment created by farmers that supply produce into this facility. This also includes a full-time field officer to assist the identification of new farmers and for rendering the new technical advice to farmers that are contracted to the facility. Again, on behalf of government, I thank the company for the immense effort that does not only provide benefit within the economic sector, but is extended beyond to the social sector. This is manifested in the company's contribution to the Vatia community, farming communities, in terms of financial and other assistance, as well as providing donations and charity works to the underprivileged children who are studying at the mosques in Ba and the Tavua area. To you, sir, the founder, Mr. Hussein Ali, I, on behalf of government, salute you for the vision, the endurance amidst the hurdles encountered to finally reaching this level. The opening of this new processing facility is apparently opening new opportunities, not only for the company and not only for the people of Tavua, but for the economy of the country and Fiji as a whole. It is the opportunities for growth and raising the economic performance to another level. This is one of the focuses of our newly democratically elected government, is to improve the economic status through developing the agriculture sector, output, and the other sectors. The government is definitely willing to discharge support for initiatives such as this, and it is witnessed here today. This development will further increase the employment opportunities for the whole of Fiji and means of getting foreign currencies to our economy that are much needed for our export purposes. This development will increase the export earnings as well, contributing to our national output or our gross domestic product or GDP of our economy. This new infrastructure will also increase the number of farmers who are currently contracted to supply the company with the required commodities, thus increasing their personal earnings and ultimately improve their standard of living. All in all, this new processing facility will create a rippling positive impact to the company and ultimately to the economy of the country as a whole. To you, sir, I urge the company to continue with the effort and take advantage of the new political and economic environment with all opportunities set within by the newly elected government that supports investment and focuses on increasing returns to investment. It is also my sincere request to the company to continue partnering with the government in an integrated effort to raise the status of farmers and the agriculture sector as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, with further ado, it is now my great pleasure this morning as the representative of the government to officially open this new processing facility, and would like to extend the well wishes of the government to Maqare Export Company for its future operations. Thank you, Dhanabad, Sukriya, and Vinagavolivu.